Touchdown, Nevada. I'm already here in Las Vegas Airport. I'm just gonna wait for my cousin to arrive. His flight got delayed for 2 hours.
Opa, nabuta o. Basa na niyo dyan.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Fresh tayo. Asa man ta pa dong?
We're going to the car rental already.
This is your new car now?
Thank you. Mating nga wala yung mga tropa ko.
Got our rental car. Hindi pa siya makita kay birthday it
Gang, gang.
We're just gonna grab some food and that's it. We'll update later. Welcome to Las Vegas. So this is our hotel. This is where we're gonna stay for tonight. Huwag mo din nagko dyan. Ay, nato dyan, no? Oh, okay. Oh, it should be whole pack. Yung whole pack na lang, kuya. Thank you. I'm just gonna look for snacks. Hello, good morning. I forgot to vlog last night. Actually, when we checked in, we're super tired. We arrived in here around 1 a.m. We actually checked in almost 2 a.m. and we are staying at Strat Hotel. So this is the place. So the plan today, we're gonna drive up to the north for 3 hours, no? For 3 hours, and after that, we're gonna hike the Narrows. Hopefully na okay ang water nila dito. Okay, kung dili, we can't hike it. So, we'll see. Actually, late na. We have to check out in a few minutes kasi you have to drive up to the north. Siya mo'y naisala nga no dugay kayo may naka-check-in gabi kay gilibot na namong tanang Las Vegas. Kaya nangita siyang deodorant. Di yun siya mo ano, tawag ani mo check-in ko wala mi dalang deodorant. Kaya manimaho daw siyang pako.
Bago siya.
Tama na yung deodorant to. Nabtan mig.
Deodorant.
Say hi to the vlog.
Haggard pa kayo ta.
Bagong mata. Haggard man dayon. Dapat fresh. Like me. I just walk up like this. We just checked out. We're gonna go to the parking. We're gonna go na. Jan. Kaway po dira agad. We're on our way to Zion. It's very late. Very late. Ang light na mo.
Pila di cars biya ay lakad?
I think 3 hours din hike. May lakad ka ba mamaya? Pwede ka ba makasama sa paggagala? Kung sakaling di ka pwede sa bagay, meron din akong ginagawa. Siguro nga na pa. Guys, update. We're already in the Zion National Park. We purchased a 7-day pass, so it's gonna be valid for 7 days, and it costs $35. So here's the national park, and I'm not sure if we're gonna do the Narrows because it's gonna be like a long hike. But we'll see how it goes.
Tell me why you take mine, now you think it is fine. Doesn't make me so blind, you just waste a lot of time. I thought we're gonna feel this love, painted with some colors, now you don't. You forget all the memories with those
Santa Grotto. So, ang tawag ito?
Loading, makikapart.
We're here right now. So the plan is we're gonna go here, but the narrows are closed. So we gonna hike this area for 2 hours. Goods?
Alright.
Alright.
Rock and roll.
Inanagad
ka na ba?
the narrow.
That's my
Tugtog
shit,
na,
that's my way. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way.
Mahok na siya
That's my
dako.
shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way.
Hi guys, update. We just finished our hike for 3 hours. So we didn't go to the Narrows because the Narrows is closed. Because somebody had an accident over there.
Yeah.
And there's emergency search and rescue. Hopefully that person is okay.
Wow, concerned citizen.
Of course!
Tama na silang 8.
Good morning, guys. It's already our day 2 today. Just gonna show you our view from our cabin. Look at that sunrise, and that's going towards Arizona, I believe. Just gonna show you around. So our cabin is really small, and it looks like this. It's so small, and that's our car. It's a 2 beds inside. It's only good for 2 people or 3, I guess. And we have a barbecue set up there, and a small table, and a campground. Not a campground, sorry. It's a campfire. You can set a fire over there. Very nice. And I'm just gonna show you what's inside. So that's the loaf area and the first bed here. Right, I'll see you guys later.
So guys, we're done taking a shit. I showered.
Iwa, tulong lang kabuko kong black t-shirt. Dayon.
Nag-deodorant na ka doon. Mao na ra ba kag pako gahapon?
Ano matanin?
Sana pasimot to.
Bulgari man man eh. Hindi man masimot. Ano daw?
Baliw ana uni mo.
Putang ina.
Eh, I don't like the smell.
Sing.
Okay guys, we're going.
Ano siya sa tabangan? Bakit?
Bye cabin. It was a nice day. We need to put all of our things in the car because we're going. I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. A green and a cardigan. Welcome to the land of excess. I'm not gonna fit in. You don't know this song? This is the vibe. This is all so crazy.
may dulit po daw sa itong nahoy. Yaw.
And a Britney song was on. And a Britney song was on. So the hands up to play my song. The butterflies.
Pinamayan ako. Feeling si Guido Bogo ay. Kaya nga'y, samo kay Kagnaw. Samo kay Kagnaw. Ang mouse, all around the lap.
Hey guys, nakalibre mi og McDo. So nag-drive-thru mi og McDo, and then yung car in front of us paid for our meal, and we're so lucky. Char. Thank you for that person. Alright guys, we're on our way to Arizona, and my driver is up and about.
Ayaw pumakita ng ko, yawa. I-vlog na ba nagkaroon mo lang itong
Tanang mamasol, tanaway mong anak ko, gabip-bip na ba?
Baby, are you free? Show me
Right there at 9 a.m.
Grabe ka lang, me. You're my...
We're here at our kayak rental. We're gonna pick up our kayak and we're gonna go to the lake. Can you just asa ka? Asa may size ani? We're gonna grab our kayak over there, and we have our pass. That's good to go. So yeah, and we're going to show you the Lake Powell. Nagreklamo na siya kaya ako siya lipabit-bit sa kumagamit. So yung gingon? Swimming. Swimming pero na life jacket. Hindi ka balong salo. Guyura lang siya, girlash. Pwede man daw siya iguyod. Alright guys, we have our kayak already, so we rented double kayak for a good thrill. Pagdali, kuksay, uy, kikinit daw. Really nice over here.
Sabos kong gibate, guys.
Wala ka kasabos mong gibate.
Oo, guys.
Ha?
Wala ko kabuang ko. Nita ni mo eh.
Gilan ka na ko. Gilan to na ko sa mga sitwasyon dire. Nindot ka either way.
Miya mo ko dito.
Uy, very nice. Hopefully way bitin dire, no?
Lubutay di.
Pagdali, uy!
So guys, namin dire. Yan ako kay nga space dito, dire gyud mo agi. Palusog-lusog yun ang kagalingan ba? Wala ko dalang camera, bisa kaya naman natin. Wow! Bakas ng kahapon. Awang man siya, igapak malon. Balong sunog na.
Pantay. Tanawa, oh. Puwa, puti.
Datu puti.
Ayaw, yawa. Pakita na sa mga tao, mga tambok ta.
Pagdali! Ina!
Picture na to.
Dali. Uno.
Mabugi daog.
Hi guys, update. We're at Portugal. And this is which pagod ka na?
We didn't catch up sa sunset. It's kind of it. It's nice. It's bullshit. Huwag nagpang-shoot guys.
Kuta dyan na, ma'am. Tagang keg ni Loa.
Palid. Makita sa video ba? Cute.
Mga pugi naman ng ng driver ko. Wow. Got brisket and then we got smoked pulled pork. I'm gonna show his part. Lamig lang fries. I like it. Babe na siya, okay? Pizza. Makita ba di ay ama? We're in Sedona. We're going to the Holy Chapel over there.
Balitang balita.
Hi guys! We are heading to our camp area and we're like 13 minutes away and it's very gloomy. Hopefully it's not going to rain tonight. Otherwise we're gonna be like soaking wet and hopefully not. But yeah.
Hopefully yes.
Hopefully not. May basang sisiw dun ka.
Guys, there's a tornado there. Ako'y kuha ninyo.
What?
Ako'y iingon sa inyo trivia.
What's the trivia? Parking. Asa na ako park?
Nakalipong siya mag-drive guys.
This is off-roading.
Dito sa Kuan Patag guys. Sige hunong-hunong muratag. Og wala pa seatbelt bitaw na napakog na buto ng airbagan eh.
Uy! Dapat biyan ko mo break and break ako to.
Break unta ka na smooth ba ka na di makatapon kape.
Uy, ikaw gani mo break gani ka maana ko di lang ko mutingog.
Boret.
Ikaw dagang ikareklamo tupunta ka ron.
Mo na ning nahitabo 3 days pa lang mi guys. Mura na may giliguan. Ambot. Mura na may gikuan.
Okay, that's it guys. See you in the campground. Bye-bye. Off. Take it off.
Pagkatabon-tabon baka. Tawa ka gigpalungan ko.
Palmama ka mapuput sa storage. So, muna among gipili na area. So, we're just gonna set up our tent. And then, we're gonna stay here for 2 nights. But hopefully, it's not gonna rain tonight though. Otherwise, we're gonna be so dead. Muna siya. Okay, we're just gonna set up our tent. Just watch and learn.
Kudlan nga puro ra ka sakit may tagmaluwa patay liguan sawa.
The experience. What is like?
Kapoy naman yung kabuhay yan. Bakit tagayo?
Boy Scout, you know?
Yawa ka.
I think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this little life. This silly little life.
Kapoy na si Dudong dyan. Time check, it's already 10 p.m. and we're changing our plans. We're going to Las Vegas, and now look at this boy's face. He's so tired now.
Tanang trip ni mo na may ka ng kapoy ka.
Kapoy? Oh, da. Oh, Tiana. Kaluot sa
Bil na naman tag-tira-tira, bro, tag-iro. Tawa kayo ba, bro? Toy, mana ko kaon, Toy. Ikaw na tap, Toy. Mikit na sundan, Toy. Tawa ka. Bili na ba yata yung hako?
So they don't see this part of me. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend we don't cry.
Pagod mo yan.
Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend we.
Hi guys, update. We are going back home. Sad ka?
Kamat yun ko, Bart.
Naman kamat yun ka.
Kay...
So our Southwest USA trip is done. And we're about to go back home. Also may mong wait lang. Also may mukhang masasabi sa atong trip na nahitabo na jud for how many months na atong giplan.
Dili na drawing.
Dili siya drawing. Adul good sa may mukhang nakatunan sa atong biyahe.
Katunan na ako nga dapat mo drive yun ko.
Dapat mo drive ka? Hindi nga naman.
Kay maluoy ko mo. Hindi ka mag-drive. Sige kag-drive. Sige akong katawa. Sige akong katawa guys niya. Sige pag yun ako siyang suguon.
Anyways, more atong update. And hopefully makita na po ni sunod ani niya.
Kita namin sa next live.
Mingawan ba ka na ko?
Kami mingawan ako.
Delir ba jud?
Ay, gilak ba?
Ayo lagi.
Ay, gilak ko.
Ilak
Ayaw pa daw.
Ilak do yun, dali.
Apa ka naman yun ka bago. Bye. Ambot, mag-i-apel ba niya? Bye.
Bye. See you next time.